This video made possible by Buy Mobile.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Howtechs. Today we have a MacBook Air. This is the 2019-2020 edition, 13-inch. Let's take a quick look at the back here. So if you can see, MacBook Air 13-inch. Also, this is the 13.3-inch diagonal display, space gray, 1.6 gigahertz processor, 8 gigabytes of RAM, and 256 gigabyte SSD. That's not the smallest. Actually, you can get a 128, which is kind of useless once you consider the size of the OS, etc. So this is on the smaller side. So let's give it an open. Now, on this one, they have a tab, so I don't even know if this is going to work, but let's try it. Okay. And I guess now you can do this way, which makes it easier than cutting the back open. So yeah, let's pop it open. Always fun to let it slide open. There we go. And pull the tab. Weight-wise, it feels a lot like the MacBook Pro 13-inch, but obviously a bit thinner on this side. Let's take a look in the box before we unwrap the computer. So very simple. We basically have our USB-C cable. No MagSafe anymore. And we have our warranty information, etc. And under here we have our very small size USB-C power adapter. And in our case, because we're in Hong Kong, we have the British type plug. So so this guy is quite small. It's almost the size of what you used to get on an iPad, and it's only 30 watts. So keep in mind for the MacBook Pro, I think the smaller size is 67 watts and the bigger one is 80 something. So yeah, this one is a lot smaller than those, but for this application should be good enough to charge. Okay, so here's the computer. Let's unwrap it. So for you ASMR people, get ready. 3, 2, 1. And here we go. Very nice. This one's clean. We've actually had ones where there was like stuff stuck under the tape. Okay, always fun to do. Oh, we got some stuff under the plastic. Wow, bad move, Apple. That's under the plastic protector. This one looks perfect. And let's pop it open. It should actually auto start once we get this thing open. In some cases we've had it. There we go. You can't see it. Screen turns on as soon as you open it. So yeah, looks actually very similar to the 13-inch MacBook Pro. Speakers are very slim on the sides. The main thing is it has just the one headphone jack on this side and only 2 USB-C plugs here on the other side. So that's literally it for all the I/O. We have now the fingerprint sensor here on the top right.
English as the main language. Press the return key.
Now we have the Touch ID here on the top right for the power button, and otherwise pretty much the same as your older MacBook Airs. Nice big touchpad as well. Screen-wise, as you can see, looks pretty good. So if you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them below in the comment section. Do check out other unboxings and how-to videos for Macs, MacBooks, MacBook Pro, Mac Mini, as well as tons of iPhones, Samsung phones, etc. here on Howtechs. See you guys later. Bye.
This video made possible by buymobile.com.au.
SIM card is here on the bottom right, and there's also a very small notch here on the bottom right as well. You guys can see that. There's also